Hey everyone, this is TheManJoe. It is February 23rd. Went to the door. Guess what I got? My first ever Loot Crate. I'm excited. Looking at the box, you know, it's big. You can hear everything in there, so I love the box. It's simplistic, simple, so I know you're excited. I am too. Let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we got. I do know that this month's theme is play. It goes back to, I think it's like board games and stuff like that. So, I'm excited. Let's see what we got. Okay. First thing I know, oh, that's cool. Inside of the box is a board game. So, Crate Packing Simulator 2015. So it's the box itself is like a board game. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what we first right here. This is a blank. Oh, create your own art toy from Money World, MUNNY. So it includes markers, so you can draw on it. That's pretty cool. I'm getting a little glare. But yeah, see, it's blank, and you can draw on it. That's pretty cool. Vinyl art toy. Okay, we're going to set that to the side. Let's see what we got here. Hexbug Zombie Scarab. Glows in the dark. Hexbug Zombie Scarab. That's cool. That's neat. Robotic creature. I'm going to play with that later. Uh-oh. Oh. Yes. Yes, I can already tell from what this is. Oh yeah, there's some dice in here. Oh yeah, there's some dice. What do we got in here? Oh, they're like little 8-bit hands and fists. Maybe it goes with the box simulator. But yeah, see, there's a black one and a white one, and it has a fist, and it has like a stop, hands up or something, and peace signs. That's pretty cool. Little dice. Put those back in there. Super Fight. 100 card. The Loot Crate deck for Super Fight. Oh man, I'm going to open these up. 100 card version of the viral card game Super Fight. Exclusively for Loot Crate by Skybound. Nice. Super Fight. I've been wanting to play that game. I've never played it before. What do we have here? This is a book. New York Times bestseller. Ready Player One. It's a book. That's interesting. In the year 2044. Huh. I'm going to have to read that. Looks like I got something new to read. That's cool. Let's do that. My phone is tipping a little bit, so let me fix that for you. There we go. See everything? Yeah, we're good. Okay. Concept art. Oh, it's a registry card for Firefly Online, and it's concept art for a Buddhist temple. That's cool. Yeah, Firefly. Okay. Next on the list we have Co-op Gaming. Oh, are those stickers or are those like tokens? I can't tell what those are. Co-op Gaming, History of Game Controllers. Huh. Got some art. Oh, okay. Yeah. The history of game controllers. Talking about, yep. So there we go. So we have the Atari joystick all the way up. It looks like we're getting to the Steam controller. So it's a history of the controllers. And it just talks about everything that was in here. Yeah, and we got, oh, these are for the game. Yep, that's what it is. These are for the box, for the game box. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, and a button. The Loot Crate button. February 2015 play. If you can see that, yep. Nice button. Oh, here we go. The rules for the game. Oh, I missed something. What is this? Looks like a poster, maybe? Is that what this is? If I can open it up. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. Arr. There we go. Arr. The poster looks like. Sit that right there. Pac-Man. It's a Pac-Man poster. It was in the little booklet. So it's like a, yeah. It's like a Pac-Man game. Nice little poster. And I have to hang that up. These are the rules. The rules. Loot Crate's first original board game. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah. I'm excited to be part of this. Making history right here. Welcome to Loot Crate's first original board game. Be first player to have all 5 items in your crate. Yep, those are the tokens in the book. Sorry, that was in my face, wasn't it? Yeah, so, heck yeah. Loot Crate, everybody. Oh, I'm excited for this Super Fight. We're going to have to play that. Seen a lot of videos about Super Fight. But yeah, look, check this out. It's, yeah, you take it apart, and it's a board game. That is cool. Let me see if I can open this up and check it out real quick. It says to pull this tab. I don't want to break it. I don't want to. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Here we go. Look at it. We're cooking with grease now. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Cooking with grease. See if you can get back so you can see that. It's a big board game. 4 players. Crate Packing Simulator 2015. That's cool stuff right there. Let me fix this again. It's messing up. Sorry about that. So, yeah. Loot Crate. February 2015. Sit that down. So, recap. We got the button. The booklet for the history of controllers. The rules, the Firefly, a book, ready to read that, Super Fight card game, a poster, dice for the Loot Crate game, Hex Bug Zombie, Scarab, white glow in the dark, and the draw on your money, Mooney, I don't know. But yeah, that's it for this month's Loot Crate. Can't wait for next month's. So, yeah. This is TheManJoe signing off.